Today I'm going to teach you how to make text bold, italic, or underline in Google Forms. This is a simple yet powerful way to emphasize important information, draw attention to key instructions, or simply make your forms look more professional and organized. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're logging in with the account that has access to the forms you want to edit. After entering your email and password, you'll be taken to your Google Forms dashboard where all your forms are stored and managed. Now that you're in your Google Forms dashboard, take a look at the Recent Forms section. This is where you'll find all the forms you've created or edited recently. Browse through and click on the form where you want to make text bold, italic, or underline. If you're starting fresh and don't have an existing form, you can always click on the option to create a new blank form. Either way, you'll need to have a form open to begin formatting your text. Once your form is open, the next step is to locate and click on the text you want to format. This could be a question title, a description, or any other text element within your form. Simply click directly on the text, and you'll notice that it becomes highlighted or selected. This selection is crucial because it tells Google Forms exactly which portion of text you want to apply formatting to. After selecting your text, look just below the text field you've clicked on. You'll see several formatting options appear. These options are designed to give you quick access to text styling tools without having to dig through complicated menus. The options are straightforward and easy to identify. If you want to make your text bold, which is perfect for emphasizing key points or headings, simply click on the bold option. This will instantly apply bold formatting to your selected text, making it stand out more prominently. If instead you prefer to make your text italic, which is great for adding subtle emphasis or indicating special terms, click on the italic option. This will slant your text slightly, giving it that distinctive italicized look. And if you want to underline your text, which is useful for highlighting important instructions or drawing attention to specific details, just click on the underline option. Your text will immediately have a line beneath it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to format text in Google Forms using bold, italic, and underline options. These simple formatting tools can make a big difference in how your forms are perceived and understood by respondents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.